Hello RC fans, Racing 393 for a video that I said I would never do. Now I'm still not a huge fan of raffle, but over the last few weeks I've been working on Tamiya TA01 and TA02. I spent quite a lot of the summer building various cars and sort of learning about the chassis again. If you watched any of my videos, you would have seen one that may have interested you. You're going to have to excuse me for the poor image quality on the picture. Now, before I get your hopes up, it's not this kit, as in that kit with that box, but it is a TA02 with that body shell, Nissan 300ZX, and it's in very, very good condition. Now, I've spent no money on it apart from purchasing it in the first place, but it is set out as a drift car, so it's got hard wheels on it. It's got a motor which I don't really know much about. I don't know if it's like a clone or it's a genuine Tamiya motor, but it looks in good condition. This car has been stripped down and checked. There's nothing that I can see that's broken. It's actually got a ball diff in the back as standard. The front has also got a ball diff, which somebody's upgraded. I took them out, I tried them out. They are actually in good working order. It's also got like a one-way bearing in the front gearbox, so that it's four-wheel drive, but when you brake, it just becomes rear-wheel drive. And I think that's going to help with getting the back out and drifting, so to speak. Even though when you put the power on, it's four-wheel drive. I'm not sure what that's called. It's not a one-way diff because it still works like a diff. I think it's just a one-way bearing. Is it like a? I don't know. I don't know what would that be called. That when the drive, when you power, it's four-wheel drive, and when you brake, it becomes just the back wheels brake and the front wheels just spin. I think it's known on other chassis as a one-way diff, but it isn't on this one. But it's got one of those, and that's about it really. There is a small video of me stripping it down, which you'll see now, and at the end of the video there's going to be a link in the description of where you can enter the competition to win this TA02 with that body shell on. I will ship it worldwide free of charge, so check the link and get your entries in. Enjoy. So this is the giveaway car. It's got to be stripped down and cleaned, which I'm going to do. Not necessarily on camera, because you've seen it a million times. In fact, all I've done over the last, well, latter part of the summer anyway in the UK is TA01 and TA02 cars. So we take the body shell off. The most awesomest body shell there is, even better than the Escort, I think. But I'll show you a quick close-up of this, and then we'll sort it out. So it is. I mean, it could be sold, given away as it is. It wouldn't matter, would it? But in true fashion, we've got to get this looking a little bit better. So it's literally going to nut and bolt strip down, clean, and put back together using what's here. I'm going to use exactly the same parts, not adding anything. If anything, I'll just add oil and grease where applicable once it's cleaned. But the next time you see this, well, it'll either be in bits or it will be back together again. But just so you know, this is a before. You can see it is quite grubby. If I go like that, it's just dirty. I mean, it's quite smooth. It's got a very smooth, loose diff. I've got a feeling it's got a one-way diff in it. Bearing in mind, it's probably because of, I don't know, it's supposed to be a drift car, isn't it? And we'll see what motor that is as well. So let's get this stripped down. So that didn't take long. Bits are all there. I've got all the other sort of plastics and things here which I'll clean. I'm going to do that now. So that's all there. the motor that came out. It's got an aluminium motor mount, which is good. A dyno run. I don't know what it is. I've seen that, but I can't remember. But it might want some rewiring on there, but it's all there. It's all good. It looks like it's got ball diffs front and back. So front one, pretty much like a ball diff. Well, it is a ball diff. Back one. So it's got ball diffs front and rear. A reasonable good prop. It's not like a coat hanger. Yeah, so I've just got to clean it all up now. So it's all ball race as well. So it's got bearings, which is handy. Right, so I'm going to get on and clean it now. Done to this. Pretty clean, all stripped down. It's all good. Nice and free. It's got a ball diff in the front, one in the back, and a one-way sort of clutch. So it drives forward, but not back. So it freewheels, which is good. Yeah, you can see it is pretty clean. Don't know if the motor works, but it will keep an eye out for the description, because it'll have a link. Once I get this on there, hang on a minute. There you go. There'll be a link in the description of how you could win this. Really good. I actually quite like it myself. It is a drift car, but nothing's broken, nothing's stripped. It's all there. So go to the description and have a look for the competition that I'm going to set up where you can win this. I'll keep it myself really, but I've got too many. See you later.